suggested to do this experiment. This is a hot sauce because we just want to see how the temperature is really affecting it. That's right, it's an experiment. Some Italians around the world are just shaking. Does the temperature of your sauce affect the crispiness of your pizza? That's what we're investing in today. So this is a fridge, of course, and the sauce is cold. We're gonna see if this pizza is gonna be different in terms of crispiness if I use a slightly warmer or room temperature sauce or absolute cold sauce. So let's test it out today. So first off, I'm gonna assess this to see the crispiness. I'm touching the bottom. Actually, we can visually look. This is almost more crispy, and that is the cold sauce. So I'm actually surprised to see, because physically speaking, and from the physics. Now let's look at this. The gum line is what we really want to look at. Let me see what's going on in gum line. I'm gonna do some disgusting stuff. It's okay. That's the gum line on this. One observation is, I don't know if it's because of the stretch or this is much thinner. This is gummier. You see that? It's a little gummier. This is the gum line is what it's called. And that's from the cold sauce. Now let me see if there's any difference here. Yeah, it tastes good. This is better.
Yeah.
My theory was which one's the cold sauce. My physics theory, but I thought if it's the cold sauce or that sauce, it's like higher temperature. Obviously gummier. This is the cold sauce. A lot of gum.